Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how you remove the rear cushions on a Mercedes-Benz. We're going kind of on a reverse here because we're going to go with this, the backrest first and then the bottom, but basically you take off the bottom first and then you take this off. But since we're putting these back, you're going to get to see how they go. So this back one, there's some channels here, 1, 2, 3, and the top part of it slides right in there. Right here they slide in, but when you remove this, what you'll do is right here on this side, right there, right in the middle, and right on that side right there, you're gonna have 3 10mm nuts that need to come off. Once you take this off, then what you'll do is you'll take this and push it up. Now there could be an issue. I'm gonna have the headrests here that are up. They need to be in the down position. If you have an issue and they don't go down for one reason or another, you can remove these. So what you do is on the back there's this plastic piece on each side. You kind of pop this up and then you'll take a flathead screwdriver. If you look carefully where the holes are on each side, there's a little black tab right there that you'll use the screwdriver to push that down both sides on the outside, over here and over here, and as you push them down, you push the headrest back. You slide this back and it comes right off. So that's pretty simple. That's only in case the headrests don't go down for one, because there is an issue. But other than that, this comes right up. Now the bottom part, you might notice right here towards the front is where it locks. So you can see here is where it locks. So the way this goes is it slides in on the back, and then on the top you just push that down to lock it. But to remove it, you basically put your hand right down here. Sometimes it may be a release mechanism right here on some models, but you put your hand there and you pop this side up. You go on the other side, you do the same thing, and then you pull this forward, and that's how you remove it. That's it. Thank you for watching.